Hey, landlords, are you part of the rental cartel that this article is talking about? There are some Democratic senators out there who are proposing legislation to outlaw the use of RealPage, Yardi as places for you to be able to identify rent rates in an area. They're literally saying that landlords are getting together and colluding to violate antitrust laws to rent fix, to take a look at the supply and demand and boost rent rates and make it illegal. This is absolutely one of the stupidest things I've ever heard in trying to control the cost of rent. I mean, if you're literally using Zillow or Rentometer or a bunch of these other websites, Trulia, to see what rent costs are in an area, you could be part of this rental cartel that's trying to, ruin America. These freaking idiot senators have their heads shoved so far up their orifice, they have no idea what's going on. They said that 70% in one neighborhood in Seattle, 70% of the properties were controlled by basically one landlord. And they're saying that they use it, but they have no smoking gun, no emails, no paper documents saying, hey, you're charging this, I'll charge this. There's nothing like that. They're saying that RealPage is collecting rent data and then sharing it with people out there. Well, yeah, that's what those softwares use to tell you what your market rent rate is, stuff like that. What is illegal about that? When did capitalism and the right to make a fair wage, fair rent on your property as a real estate investor become outlawed? I don't get this. Increased property costs, increased taxes, increased insurance. Yes, rent is going to go up. And yes, in some cases, it is becoming unaffordable to live in areas. I live in Austin, Texas, very unaffordable on cases, but it's a case of supply and demand. If you have high demand but low supply, rents are going to go up. That's normal economics 101. If you really want to do something about that, then give incentives, increase Section 8 vouchers, stuff like that. But don't take away from true, honest Americans, real estate investors in the area who are doing well, providing housing, creating jobs, keeping the values up of your neighborhoods. It is just absolutely ridiculous. I'll put the link to the full article in the description, but it is absolutely ridiculous. If you are a landlord, you need to be paying attention to this because you could very well become the new cartel.